Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. So viewers, in front of me HP NV6000 series, and now I'm going to show you how to connect to the other Wi-Fi network on this device. So to reconnect to the other Wi-Fi network, you need to open the HP Smart application, because without HP Smart you can't connect to the embedded web server. So firstly you need to open the HP Smart. Find here your printer and click on it. You need to try to click in other places, but you need to click on your printer. Then here, so of course you need to connect your printer to your computer using USB cable, USB B and A. Then find here advanced settings, click on it. Great. Now you need to open network. Here you will see wireless status. Okay, so now you need to click wireless and wireless setup wizard. Click next. Find here the network you want to connect. In my case it's this network. Then click next. Enter the password from the Wi-Fi. Click next. Wait a while, and great. As you can see, I have successfully connected to the other Wi-Fi network. That's it. Thanks for watching, and bye. See you.